Hi, David here of Honda Lancaster, and here we've got a Honda CR-V all-wheel drive EX model with loads of optional extras on it, so it's an absolute top of the line one. So what I'll do is I'll just show you the condition of the vehicle, show you some of the features and show you some of the add-ons that it's got on it. Starting with the wheels, so it does have some upgraded wheels on it. Got these diamond cut ones there, beautiful design. Also got running boards as well, down the side of the vehicle there. It's got the Aero Pack as well, this vehicle, so you do get slightly different bumper on the front, a little bit meatier there. And just while we're on it as well, before I forget, those wheels are a £2,000 optional extra there, so they certainly stand out. So you then got parking sensors on the front there. And as we go around, you can see a bit more of a better view of the front bumper there. And then down the side of the vehicle, you can tell there's nothing wrong with the bodywork at all down there. So the vehicle has also had super guard in it as well. This is why there's some beads of rain just sat on it still. So it is water resistant there. You've got roof rails on the top alongside a panoramic sunroof and privacy glass around the back. And then we've got rear bumper there, a little bit meatier, really nice design there. And just on the back, just see we've got reverse camera there with 3 different angles, and it's also got keyless entry, which also works for the boot. So if you've got the key in your pocket, you can just wave your foot under there, I believe. There we go. And the boot opens up there. So just while we're on that, I'll just show you the space inside. So with it being a hybrid, you don't get as much space under the floor as you used to, but you do get somewhere nice to keep some of the tools that come with the vehicle, such as tyre inflation kit and your jack. And then you've got a pulley style load cover there. And one of my favourite features, you just pull that there and your seats go forward. So I'll show you on this side, so it'll be a little bit easier for me to put it back up as I'm going around that way. So as you see there, just drop straight down from the boot, you've got plenty of space to load through. You've also just got a 12-volt charger in the back as well. So just close the boot with the little button there and carry on round. So as I said, it has got keyless entry, this vehicle, so the way that works is you just put your hand behind the handle there, the vehicle opens up, but you can also lock it with these 3 little buttons. You just pop your thumb on top and as you see, it locks itself shut. Gives me another opportunity just to show you how it works there. So if I just put my hand behind, opens up, the door opens there. So as you can see, seat starts moving into my sort of driver's position that's set there. So you never have to adjust it. So just hop inside now. So I've got the key in my pocket, so it is keyless start. So I'll just press that now. So there we are. And as you can see, the mileage there, 8697. So it is very low mileage, and you have got heads-up display there. So on some of the features with this vehicle, you get above some of the lower sort of trim levels.
Please drive to highlighted route.
Sorry about that there, my sat nav must have been left on with something. So you do get heated steering wheel there, and you can adjust the height on your heads-up display there. So, as you see that, oh, no, sorry, it runs through different options. I'm wrong there. The height adjustment, if I can get it, is actually just down here, and you just press that button there or that button there. And then you've also got your heated wiper button there. Then you've got your button to open the boot. So there's quite a few little buttons down here. Parking sensors, collision mitigation, lane departure warnings, traction control, all that lot down there. You've also got your electric folding wind mirrors there. A little shot of me while I'm at it. So just onto the other side of the wheel as well, just covered the other side, that's where your cruise control, your heads up display and your heated steering wheel functions, along with your lane keep assist. And on this side you can scroll through all your menus or your sort of trip computer stuff, and you can also adjust your volume and answer the phone and end a call. You also get your voice recognition there. So just on some other features in here. So you do get 3 different drive modes. You've got economy, sport and EV, and if you press them twice, for example, we've got EV on at the minute, hence the Leaf. If we just press that again, it just turns it off there. So that's your normal standard driving mode. But we'll leave that on for the time being. So onto the radio there. So there are all your different inputs for audio. Quite a lot of options with this one. And we'll just go into home. Just jump on navigation. As you can see, that's our location there. So you also get a wireless charging pad in this vehicle. You've got 2 USB sockets down there, that one there being the one to plug in if you want to use a wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto there. Then just back up here you do have dual zone climate control and heated seats. As you can see, the buttons are there for that. And then in your centre console you've got a lot of space there, and this little tray that slides forwards and back with a little power output there, so you could quite conveniently plug your phone in, something like that, loop the wire up round the back there, have it pass through the side and have your phone sat there on charge, plugged in with a wire, sorry. So just before I move into the back seat, show you a couple of features in there as well. You do get the panoramic sunroof. It does have a cover on it, but I've already pulled that back, so the controls for that there. That one's for the cover, and this one's for the sunroof. If we just pop that, sunroof opens up. Nice little breeze. You do get a little barrier there to stop anything flying in. Just close that again before it rains. And then what I'll do is I'll just jump out and just show you a couple of features in the back seats. Oh, helps if I open it properly. There we are. So just into the back now. Just put that seat back up that I lowered before. We do have climate vents in the back. You've got two 2.5 amp USB chargers under there. And then, this is my favourite feature in the back there, you've also got heated seats in the rear as well. And as you can see, I'm 6'1", with quite a lot of leg room there. Certainly enough to sort of stretch out a little bit. So yeah, if there's anything I've not covered in this video, you want a few sort of more detailed explanations of all the options that are on this one, don't hesitate to get in contact. I'll see what I can let you know and see how we can help you. Thanks. Take care. Bye.